Bismillah ir-Rahman ir-Rahim. As Muslims, our faith is the core of our identity. But in the hustle of daily life, are we sometimes missing the essence? Do we have the answers to the fundamental questions that define our beliefs, our worship, and our connection with our Creator? We present a special series 15 question and 7 seconds, so let's begin this journey of knowledge and reflection. What is the first pillar of Islam? Shahada, declaration of faith. How many times a day is a Muslim required to pray? Five. Which is the final month of the Islamic lunar calendar? Dhul-Hijjah. Who was the first wife of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH? Khadija, sallallahu alaihi. What is the name of the Islamic declaration of faith? Shahada. Which angel brought revelations to the prophets? Angel Jibril, Gabriel. In which city was Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, born? Makkah. Which surah is known as the heart of the Qur'an? Surah Yasin. What is the annual charity paid by Muslims called? Zakat. Which day is considered the holy day in Islam? Friday. How many pillars of Islam are there? Five. What is the name of the night journey of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, from Mecca to Jerusalem? Al-Isra? Which direction do Muslims face during prayer? Kaaba in Mecca. What is the fasting in the month of Ramadan called? Sawm. Who was the first human and prophet according to Islam? Adam, alaihi salam. Which book was revealed to Prophet Musa, Moses? Tawrat, Torah. What is the term for permissible food in Islam? Halal. Which prophet is known for his patience during severe trials? Ayyub, alaihi salam. What is the pilgrimage to Mecca called? Hajj. Which surah is the first chapter of the Qur'an? Surah Al-Fatiha. Who was the father of Prophet Ismail, alaihi salam, and Prophet Ishaq, alaihi salam? Ibrahim, Abraham. What is the term for the obligatory almsgiving? Zakat. Which city did Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, migrate to? Medina. What is the name of the cube-shaped building in Mecca? Kaaba. Which prophet was known as Kalalullah, friend of Allah? Ibrahim, alaihi salam.